Hello friends, welcome back to my video. This is Miss Rija, and today we're going to be talking about paper airplanes. Now, have you seen one of these before? I'm sure many of you have made one, and today I'm going to show you a different kind of paper airplane, and it's going to look like this. Unusual shape, but let's see how we make it. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's see which one flies further. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. And there you go. The difference is pretty interesting. I do hope you give it a try and let us know if you do. Well, until next time, like I always say, take care, stay safe. Bye.